If you're a fan of pumpkin, you've got to try this recipe. In a large bowl, mix together flour, baking soda, pumpkin spice, and salt. If you want to make your own pumpkin spice, check out the link in the description below. Once that's combined, set aside, and in another bowl mix together eggs, white sugar, and brown sugar until it's smooth. Now comes the star of the show, the pumpkin puree. You can use canned or make your own at home. Follow the link in the description for our recipe. After the pumpkin, add in melted coconut oil and milk. These will really help the bread to stay moist and not crumbly. Once that is nice and smooth, you can pour it into the dry ingredients and use a rubber spatula to combine. Next, add in some chocolate chips. We use semi-sweet, but if you're more of a dark chocolate or milk chocolate person, that's fine too. Next, line a greased loaf pan with some parchment paper. This isn't absolutely necessary, but it will make the loaf a lot easier to remove after baking. Once you've got your batter in the pan and it's smoothed out, bake for about 30 minutes at 350. Then remove, loosely cover with tinfoil, and bake for another 30 to 35 minutes. The tinfoil helps prevent the top from getting too brown. Allow it to cool before removing from the pan and slicing. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Dished.